Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm going to be making Uruguay trap beat today. When you launch your FL Studio, put your cursor here, right click, and press open. But for me, I've already launched my FL Studio. So I'm just going to click here, click on my FL Studio. After clicking on my FL Studio, as you can see, this is my channel rack, this is my mixer, this is my playlist. I'm just going to click on my art, click on FL keys. I will left click, I hold my left click button, turn my mouse wheels to channel 5, put my cursor on this FL keys, right click and press piano roll. As you can see, I've programmed my two bars. So I'm going to click on select, put my cursor here, left click, hold it, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. After doing so, I'll start to program my bass melodies only with the FL keys, which is I'm going to put my cursor like this. This is my bass melodies, like this, from each bar to each bar. And that's okay for my bass melodies. The next step is I'm going to click on add, click on my boo bars, put my cursor on this empty space, left click, hold it, turn my mouse wheels to channel 6, put my cursor on my boo bars, right click and press piano roll. This is how I'm going to program my bass melodies on my boo bars again, the second bass melodies. That's it. These are my second bass melodies with a different beat, with a different preset, which is the boo bars. The next step is, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm going to program my hi-hat now. This is channel 3, I'll right click and press piano roll. I'll first of all just program my one bar pattern. After doing so, I'll put my cursor here, left click, hold it, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. That's it. This is my snare here. I will right click, press piano roll to start programming my snare. At the starting of bar 1, I'll put my snare here. At the ending of each bar, I'm putting my snare like this. That's it. This is how you program your snare. The different bounce like this. Like this. Good. After doing so, this is my kick on my left corner. I will left click and hold my left click button. Just drag it like this to channel 1. Right click and press piano roll. I'll start to program my kick now. This is it. I'm program my kick now. This is my kick now. After doing so, I'll click on my kick here, click on this bow knob, turn the bow knob right up. That's it. Now it's time to mix our melody. Our melody is on 5 and 6. So on 5, I'll click on slot 1 and add the fruity parametric EQ2. On slot 2, I'll click and add a fruity limiter. On slot 3, I'll click and add a fruity soft clipper. These are the basic steps to mix your beat. On channel 6, which is the bow bars, I'll click on channel 6, add a fruity soft clipper. On slot 2, I'll click here and add a fruity parametric EQ2. On slot 3, I'll click here and add a fruity compressor. So I'm going to bring down my bow bars, bring down the first melody, turn up my kick, which is in channel 1, Then my hi-hats, I'll turn it up and click on slot 1 and add a sound woodenizer. On slot 4, which is my snare, I'll turn it up and I'll click on slot 1 and add a sound woodenizer. Now it's time to arrange the beat. I'll click on my playlist. Where I've written part 1 here, I'll right click and click split by channel. As you can see, everything I've programmed has appeared on the top left corner of my FL Studio. I'll just click here. When clicking, make sure you click on this draw, click on your kick, click back into your playlist, click on your hi-hat, click back into your playlist, click on your snare, and click back into your playlist. Click on your first melody, which is the FL keys, click back into your playlist, click on your bull bars, and click back into your playlist. That's good. I'm going to click now on select here like this. Then just highlight to left, but you can still press Ctrl and A to highlight it. Then press Ctrl and B several times. This is to extend your beat, to make sure your beat is longer. The next step is I'm going to remove the kick, I'm going to remove the hi-hat, I'm going to remove the snare. After doing so, I'm going to press Ctrl and A, then press Ctrl and B on my keyboard to extend my beat up to 79. That's it. I'm arranging my beat now. I'm going to remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. Then I'll just click here and click on my FL keys, extend my outro. I'll click on my bull bars and click here, extend my outro. Then I'm going to put my cursor on this channel 3, right click on my mouse, and then click on create automation clip to control the melodies automatically. I'll put my cursor on my channel 4, which is my snare, right click and create automation clip to control the volume automatically. Now it's time to spice up the beat. It's time to spice up the beat now. I'll click on my hi-hat, click here. At the ending point of my intro, you hear the hi-hat. Then I'll click here again and put the hi-hat. I'll click here and put, this is a pro teaching today. Now let's listen to the Uruguay beat from the start to the end, and see you tomorrow in another beat. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make your great habit. See you tomorrow in another bit. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much and goodbye.